Hello, my most amazing artists. And how are you today? I'm ready to create too. Today will be a great day. Today, we will create a landscape. First, we will learn some new art vocabulary: background, middle ground, and foreground. Then, Miss Collier will tell you about our surprise art material. Last, Miss Collier will show you how to create a landscape. Be sure to send Miss Collier a video or a picture of your artwork. Let's create. Love, Miss Collier. Let's do a mini lesson. All right, we got 3 words I need your help defining. We got background, middle ground, and foreground. Let's talk about background. Background. If we're thinking about a picture, what do you think background means? Yeah, probably the stuff in the back. That's right. Middle ground. What do you think middle ground is? Yeah, probably the stuff in the middle. And then what do you think the foreground is? Yeah, that one's a little trickier because background and middle ground have the words in them, but foreground starts with the letter F, and so does front. So we can remember that foreground also means the stuff in the front. Okay, I have kind of a silly picture of me and Mr. Collier. Can you help me decide what stuff is in the background? Let's take a look. What do you notice that would be in the background or the back of the picture? What stuff did you notice that was in the background? Yeah, the sky, the clouds, the trees. You could even maybe say that fence thing, that big brown thing. Let's look at the foreground. That's the front. What do you see in the foreground of that picture? Let's look at it again. What's in the foreground? That's right. Miss Collier's beautiful face is in the foreground. And so is Mr. Collier's, but, you know, it's about Mrs. Collier. Okay. Fine. I know. Let's move on. What is in the middle ground? Let's look again. What do you notice that would be in the middle of the picture? Yeah, the middle ground's got those empty benches, the sidewalk, the grass, some of those yellow flowers. That's our middle ground. Okay, now we need to compare background, middle ground, and foreground. What did you notice about the size of the objects in the foreground compared to the size of the objects in the background? Let's look at that picture one more time. That's right. The stuff in the background is smaller, and the stuff in the foreground or the front is bigger than the stuff in the background. Why do you think that is? Oh, yeah, because the stuff in the foreground is closer, and the stuff in the background is farther away. Okay, so we've got background. It's in the back. And is it close or far away? Far away. So is it going to be big or small? That's right, it's going to gonna be small. Okay, how about our foreground? Back, front, middle? That's right, front. It's in the front. Is it close or far away? Close. And is it gonna be big or small? Big. Okay, our middle ground gets a little trickier. Back, front, neither, it's in the middle. That's right, can't trick you. Is it close or far away? Yeah, it's in the middle. And is it big or small? Well, it's kind of medium. All right, I think we know everything we need to know about the parts of a landscape. Let's get to creating. Let's create a landscape. Okay, friends, before I announce our mystery art material for the day, I need a drum roll, please. It's my dirty laundry! Just kidding, it's clean. Do not use your dirty laundry, gross. But I am using laundry, so first you're going to start by making your background. Think about things that might be in a background, like clouds or a sun, maybe even birds or a sky. Now I'm working on the foreground. I'm trying to create mountains with some brown shorts. I'm even going to add a river. Notice how the river is wide or big close to the foreground, but it gets smaller as it moves towards the middle ground. It's okay to use a couple things that are not laundry, like those blue scraps of paper for the bird wings and the orange scrap of paper for the beak, but make it mostly laundry. And there you have it, my laundry landscape. All right, friends, I hope you liked this video. Be sure to send me a picture or a video of your laundry landscape. And be sure to comment on our Google Classroom stream with any other artwork or music that you are making at home. I would love to see it. Have a great rest of your day. I miss you and I love you.